Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which is completely free, which can actually convert your Microsoft PowerPoint and Word document files to PDF directly. So this is actually the package. The command is simple. You simply install this package, pdfitdown. It also works in the command line, and in the documentation they have mentioned all these files: Markdown, PowerPoint, Word document. So these are the two popular files you can convert to PDF. Let me show you the simple Python script. So once you install this, as you can see, we have this Word document file right here, and we got this PowerPoint file as well. So we will try to convert this into PDF. So what we will do, we will actually write a simple Python script. So simply write this, and after that we will, first of all, we need to import this module. So what we will say, from pdfitdown, it contains this function PDF conversion, and from this we just need to import the converter package. So in this easy way you can import this package. After that you just need to initialize the converter. You use this converter class, and after that it contains this function which is convert, which can actually convert a Word document file or Microsoft PowerPoint file. So here it takes two arguments. First argument is the actual file path, so where it is located, and the second one is the output path. So I will say docs PDF, and here it is present in the same directory, which is sample.docs. We are providing this file right here, and same we can do this for, and here we'll be replacing PPTX. So very 4 lines of code here. You can see you just need to call this function convert. It takes two arguments. You provide the input file and then you provide the output file. So now if I run this application, you will see it will create the PDF files on the left hand side. So both the files have been created, and this is actually converted. Here you can see the Word document file successfully converted to multiple pages of PDF, and same goes with the PPT, which is the PowerPoint file as well. You can see that multiple slides have been successfully exported to PDF. So it's a really nice package. I found out this package last week. It's a complete free package which can actually convert your files. So definitely install this package and start using it, and it also works in the command line as well. You simply just write PDF down and provide the input file and then the output file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.